You want me?
Hey guys, Wolfie Stacks here, and I'm playing here with the new video, Pixagon, and I'm gonna be playing multiplayer and Deadly Campaign, Deadly Complex. I tried to record this video 4 times already. Keep getting interrupted, but I hope this time it works out. So this one is everybody last man standing. Make sure to get that box for a weapon. Already? My God. So that was Piggy that truly interrupted me. So yeah. So I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna get the box and leave. So okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, we have something right. Okay, nobody here. Cool. We both died. Okay, so I'm gonna still continue looking. Deadly Complex. Okay. So one killer bees, team, and then the other. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, how did I die? It's misplacing the area that has 0 Pokemon. That's good. One more. I was gonna go to portals, but doesn't work out. So I'm gonna guess level 5, 2 level 6s, and a noob. Go for the box. Go for the box. Get in. Fuck! Okay, so I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna go to Parallel World. I'm guessing that's better because look, they have all these walls to protect you. Wolfie Sex. Must be all level 4. Okay. Level 4. Go. Jeez, they mugged me. Let's do another one. Take 2 of Parallel Worlds. They mugged me for crying out loud. Okay, oh god, I'm going to get level 27. spectator person. He's running around. I just got mugged. Okay. Keep on going. Keep on running. Okay. Just gonna get the box of grenades. See the other guy. Sniper. Kill him. Kill him. He's gonna kill you. He's gonna kill you. He's gonna kill you. He's gonna kill you. Okay. Let's keep on going. Okay. He's gonna try to get the wolf. We're on our way. I'm gonna keep exploring. That guy we could see. Okay, I'm the last one. Alright, so then just shit. Okay, what do I do now? I'm the last person left. Oh, there's still one person left. Gotcha. Now I'm doing another round. Remember guys, if you guys want to see me dye my hair, you guys will see me dye my hair red. Tell your friends to subscribe, or tell other people to subscribe, or dye my hair red. Run. I'm just running. I am just running. No! Okay. I'm gonna switch up the place. I'm gonna go to... No, I'm gonna do a different gameplay. I'm gonna do one of my favorites, honestly. Capture the flag, even though I have no idea how to play it, but it's like one of the place here. Inside the code. Into the code, we're going to do a medium armor or captain, a high voltage, I do not have that, and a look how you let and Okay, I have no clue how to play this map. My bad, guys. So what I'm gonna do is, that's okay. I'm gonna play a death match because I'm pretty that's the only one I can do. Well, that's the only one I know how to play. Parkour City. It's a large map for. Oh, I want a bow. I honestly want a bow. So there's 10 people in this server. I've been shooting him and he really dies, and he gives me one shot. Like the sniper just away doing something. No. Okay. He killed himself by killing me. I'm an idiot. Fall off and die. Okay, let's do another match. Let's do one more match. Ooh, I'm on the edge. Go up. Okay, we're trying to plan. Shit, 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 shit. Okay, this gun is very powerful, but I wish this behind. Let me just go off the line. One more, one more. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to one minute. I'm so sorry for editing. Okay, guys, thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.